You know, Montel, you've accomplished more than most people in their lifetime. You're an author, you're an amazing television host. You do great things about wellness today that I love, and you were in the military and did incredible things. What do you attribute all of your healthful success to?
No ifs, ands, or buts. It's absolutely changing and living by what I've been preaching rather than just preaching it. You know, people have heard me for the last 10 years of my life talking about the fact of how important exercise, diet, making sure that if you're on medication, you take your medication, you take it and comply the way the doctor wrote it. You've heard me talk about that, and I have tried to probably up until about 4 years ago, did this really 65%. 70%, you know, you try to make it happen, and a couple days, a week, you make it work, and then the next couple days, well, and then a couple days you make it work. It wasn't until I actually flipped the switch and said, no, I mean, I got to stop with the goofing around. I got to really pay attention to this, because unless I do so, any thought of impacting the speed by which this illness is ravaging my body, I could throw out the window. If I pay attention and recognize that there are things that we can do. I can't cure MS, but there are things that I can do to impact how I feel every day. You got to get busy with it. And so the second I realized that I was not going to, one, live down to other people's expectations. I say live down to them because they're the ones who were telling me that just because I have MS, I'm going to degrade this way or that way. Number two, when I also realized that I can live up to my own, which means, yeah, I can't go nuts, but if I want to push myself a little bit, let's push a little bit in the direction of living as healthy as I can. That's what's making a difference.
Awesome. Join us next time here on md-vod, your health, live and on demand.